Struggling to create your brand logo? Afraid it won't turn out the way you imagined? Don't worry. In this video, I will walk you through a step-by-step framework where you will be able to create your brand logo which reflects you and your business. Before I explain you the step-by-step process to create a logo, let me help you understand why your logo matters. Your logo is the first asset, it's the face of your brand. It is the first thing people will see or notice about your business, hence it makes a huge impact on creating trust and recognition. Think your business like a dating. Your logo is just like your profile picture. If it's attractive and relevant, people will stop and engage and connect. If it's not attractive, they will move on. Do you want people to just swipe through your logo, your brand or your business? You don't want it, right? Here's why. Your logo is a big game changer. It creates a strong first impression. Number 2, it differentiates you from rest of the competitors. Number 3, it builds trust and credibility. And number 4, it reinforces your brand identity and brand purpose. Here's a step-by-step guide how you can create your logo. Number 1, define your brand identity. Before designing your logo, ask yourself, what do I want my brand to stand for? What emotions do I want my audience to feel? What are the 3 words that describe my brand or business? For example, if you are a tech brand, you might want a modern, sleek, professional kind of a logo. If you are a jewelry brand, you want it more handcrafted and sleek and sophisticated logo, right? So that is how you need to evaluate. Number 2, find inspiration and brainstorming. Look at successful brands in your niche, the logos of these businesses where they are relevant to your business. For example, like Apple, Nike, Starbucks. Check competitors' logos, what works, what doesn't, what are the things that relate with your business. Create a mood board where you can collect all these pictures of various graphics, symbols or elements, visuals, colors, fonts and create a collage of it, which is called the mood board. This helps to understand what we exactly want in our logo. Number 3, choose your logo style. There are different types of logo styles in which you can choose from. Number 1 is classic, which is very timeless, elegant, minimal, for example Rolex. Then number 2 is modern and minimalistic, which is very clean, simple and professional, just like Google. Number 4 is handmade and vintage, which is very authentic, organic and artistic. If you see Levi's, that is how it is very handmade and vintage logo. Number 4 is fun and quirky, which is very playful, bold, colorful, just like McDonald's. Step 4, select the right logo type. There are basically 7 types of logos. You can pick the best that suits you. Number 1 is Lettermarks, which is the initials, just the initials. For example, HP or CNN. These are the examples. Number 2 is Wordmarks, text-based like Google, Coca-Cola, Pepsi. Number 3 is pictorial marks, just like icons. For example, Apple or Twitter or Facebook. Number 4 is abstract marks, just like Nike swoosh or Pepsi swirl. Number 5 are mascots, like KFC's that Colonel Sanders picture or Pringles guy, right? So, and number 6 is combination marks, like for example text and symbol coming together. For example, Adidas or Burger King. You can choose any type of these logos. And number 7 is sealed designs, like Harley Davidson or Starbucks. So choose the logo style you want to go with. Step number 5, choose your colors and fonts. Colors triggers a lot of emotions. Here are the different meanings of the colors which can help you choose the color you want. Number 1 is blue, which is more of trust and professionalism, just like Facebook. Then there is red, which reflects energy and passion. For example, Coca-Cola. Green reflects growth and sustainability, just like Starbucks. Yellow reflects optimism, happiness, example McDonald's. There are a lot of other colors which you can Google and select the color. You can refer to the wheel of colors on Google and look out for the colors you want for your brand or business. Fonts also set the tone of the brand. There are various fonts, however, there are three kinds of fonts that mostly operate in the designing world, which is serif fonts, sans serif fonts and handwritten fonts. Sans serif font is more of traditional and formal, just like Times New Roman. Then sans serif fonts are modern, clean, like Helvetica, and handwritten fonts are mostly friendly, creative. For example, Pacifico, right? You can use any of the fonts you want to choose for your brand, but I would suggest the clean, simple and bold it is, the better it is. Step number 6, use the right tools. Here are few easy tools that you can use to design your logo. Number 1 is obviously Canva, which is very beginner friendly and have lot of free templates. You can go for any logo template that resonates with you. Second is Looka. You can also go for Looka. There is Logo AI as well, which is available on internet. It's a free AI tool which you can use. So these are some of the free tools, but if you want a very customized logo, you reach out to a graphic designer and share your mood board, all the details which you have collected so far, and the designer will be able to help you with designing a very customized logo. Before you start designing your logo, here are the few common mistakes you should avoid. Number 1, overcomplicating the design. The simpler it is, the better it will be. Using too many colors or fonts. Stick to 1, 2 or maximum 3 colors and fonts, not more than that. Colors, number 1 is the main headline font or color. Number 2 is the secondary color for the subheads, and number 3 is the additional font or color which you can use for your paragraphs. So only maximum up to 3 fonts and 3 colors. Ideally it should be 2, but maximum up to 3. Copying other brands. We do not copy any other brand's logo. Be unique, be true to your authenticity. Choose trends over timelessness. Trends fade, but classic designs always remember. So use logos which is very unique and stands to your business and reflects who you are or reflects what your business is all about. And here's a bonus tip. Test your logo before going to the market. Before finalizing your logo, test your logo by creating feedback from your audiences, checking out how it looks on different platforms, on social platforms. You can also share with your friends, family and ask their feedback. Make sure it is clear even in black and white backgrounds, and it doesn't merge on any background. It clearly is visible on all kind of backgrounds. So that is how you have to use your colors, fonts and logo elements. Now it's your turn to create your logo, create your brand logo and comment done once you have created your logo, and share it with me under this video, and I'll personally check and give you a feedback. If you found this video valuable, then share it with someone who may need it. And I'll see you in the next video with a new topic.